Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Lilli. I'm a doctor of physical therapy, and I'm here with you today to talk about something that I've been asked a lot throughout my career. People usually don't know when they should use ice or heat. So, have you ever been hurt at home or felt some pain and you wanted to do something about it and you never knew what to do? I will clear this up for you. Stay tuned, and we're gonna talk about little things, little household items that you might have at home that you'll be able to use to apply either ice or heat. Stay tuned. So let's talk about ice. What happens when you put something cold to your skin? It decreases the circulation and it helps to decrease the swelling. So anytime at home, if something acute just happened, you're walking and you twist your ankle, or you move in the wrong way and you hurt your knee, the best thing you have to do at home is apply ice. So what does the ice do? Like I said, it decreases the circulation, and it with that makes the swelling to decrease, and also helps to numb the area so you won't feel as much, and it eases up the inflammation too. So what are things that you have at home that you'll be able to use to apply? So we have here the old vegetable bag that all my patients use, a frozen vegetable bag that you can apply to the area. You can also use a towel and put cold water in it and apply to the area, or you could use a bottle of very cold water, either use in an area, or if it's a frozen water, you can apply like an ice massage. When you apply like an ice massage, you go back and forth all the time, so you don't need a protection against to the cold. However, when you apply your vegetable bag or a very cold water bottle that you're not moving, at that point you want to put a very thin layer in between to help to not irritate your skin, okay, to not burn really. So a towel will be too thick, something like a pillowcase, that will work very good. So for how long do you have to use the ice for? You can use it for 10 to 20 minutes, and you also can use every hour if you want to, from 2 to 3, 10 to 20 minutes, for 3 to 4, 10 to 20 minutes, and work it out that way. Let's talk about heat. So what happens when you apply something warm to your skin? It increases the circulation, and it makes everything to quiet down, to kind of relax. So when should you use heat? Usually for a chronic situation. So if you have a long-standing back pain, or you have pain in your joints from arthritis, or you feel some stiffness, what should you do? That's when you can use heat. So how long should you use the heat for? You can use it for 10 to 20 minutes. And always make sure you put something like a protection between the hot subject and your skin. So I have some ideas of what you can use heat for at home. So you can use a bottle of water and put hot water in it to use as a heat source. You can take a hot shower also, and you can use a towel, put some water in it, hang it up for a little bit, and then put in a microwave. With that, you're using some moist heat, which is a very good form of heat to be used for. Now, to summarize, you use ice for something acute, something that just happened. such as a sprained ankle, a twisted knee, or you just hit something, it will help the contusion. And you use heat for things that are more chronic. A long-standing low back pain, some type of even stress and anxiety. The heat just quiets down everything and it stimulates the nerve system to make everything to relax. So even for that, it's good, the heat. And you also can use heat for some type of tightness and stiffness and things like that. I hope this helped you guys, and please, if you have any questions, make sure you send me an email. My email is at the end of this presentation. Please give me a thumbs up and share with your friends so everybody can benefit from those tips. Thank you.